jollification. So I need you home to give me some satisfaction. Hey, look around, I'm depending on you. Since this thing I've been feeling, I'm so blue.
I catch a fever and fresh cold. I'm depending on you. From my heart and soul, I'm depending on you.
Going to take off my mask and do me now pose and give you sweetness like a hot piece of toast. In your plate, a sweet piece of roast. Digest it the way you prefer when I hold you close. Have the injection, it is the right dose. And line night, I right to a fancy foot. Have the things I care for, you are the most.
Forsake me, and my daddy won't see me. Now I'm like a bachelor with no relation.
So I'm depending on you to catch the first flight. Me day I wait a day and night. I'm sitting in bed with all the lights. I can't find my head. Only you can make it right. Come pull this switch and make me hold you tight. Come throw it down till broad daylight. A sweet, sweet loving, no fuss, no fight. Dynamite, it will be alright. Out of sight, up down, up down.
So much tears on my pillow, like a flowing river. My mama forsake me, and my daddy won't see me. No, I'm like a bachelor with no relation.
I'll never let you leave again. Never get one to feel this pain. Of all the people in the world, you're my best friend. Don't look over your shoulder, know about Cherry or Gwen. You have me locked, let me tell you again. You are one in a million, you're my start and my end. All I want is you in my arms again. Father, know you are my best friend. Sweet, 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 sweet loving, hope it'll never end. Come back around.